Hậu Giang is situated in the heart of the Mekong Delta. This is the largest and most abundant delta in the world. The province's major industrial hub is less than 20 kilometers away from Cần Thơ International Airport, a transit center connecting the southern provinces of Hậu River and other economic regions in the country. In the near future, the province will have 3 expressways spanning over 120 kilometers, which will be a significant advantage for its development. When the Eastern North to South Highway is completed in the period 2021 to 2025, travel time to Cát Lái Port and Tân Sơn Nhất Airport will be around 2 hours and 30 minutes. In 2023, Hậu Giang's economic growth rate ranked second in the country, and it was one of 7 provinces and cities with growth rates greater than 10%. The budget revenue for the next year is higher than the previous year and exceeds the annual target assigned by the government. During the period of 2021 to 2023, the average annual increase in revenue is 1,000 billion Vietnam dong compared to the assigned estimate. GRDP per capita increased more than 13 times compared to 2004 among the group of provinces and cities with the highest growth rate in 2023. The province's labor force consists of 462,000 individuals of working age, which accounts for 63.37% of the population. The skilled labor force is stable and can attract workers from neighboring provinces. Labor costs for manufacturing and non-manufacturing industries in Hậu Giang are reasonable, ranging from $200 to $700 per person per month, which is much lower than in Ho Chi Minh City and Hanoi. Among the 4 pillars of industry, agriculture, urban areas, and tourism, industry plays a fundamental, leading, and diffusion role, and is the main pillar that promotes economic growth and increases budget revenue. Hậu Giang's industrial land area is projected to reach 2,233 hectares by 2030, ranking second in the Mekong Delta. Recently, the Prime Minister approved the addition of 2 industrial zones, Sông Hậu 2 and Đông Phú 2, to the National Industrial Zone Development Plan. Currently, Hậu Giang has 2 industrial zones covering around 492 hectares in Châu Thành and Châu Thành A districts, with occupancy rates exceeding 90%. There are also 7 operational industrial clusters covering 486.55 hectares with an occupancy rate of over 70.95%. From 2021 to 2030, Hậu Giang will establish 7 new industrial zones, spanning a total area of 1,741 hectares. These districts are strategically located along the routes of upcoming expressways passing through the province. The province is committed to developing an environmentally friendly, eco-industrial approach that meets the criteria of modern industrial zones. We need investors to invest in fields such as electronics, telecommunications, mechanical and electrical engineering, pharmaceuticals, medical equipment, supporting industries, high-tech agriculture, smart agriculture, logistics services, projects utilizing advanced technology, new technologies, and developing new industries based on Industry 4.0. The Digital Technology Zone is planned on a land area of 28.5 hectares in Thanh City, the center of Hậu Giang province. This is a strategic move, developing a technological innovation ecosystem and attracting top-notch employees and experts. With the concept of 2 fast, 3 good, Hậu Giang and ISC quickly completed the documents, procedures, and implemented the projects. So far, the infrastructure for the first phase has been finished, attracting 7 information technology companies to operate.
Müssen und werden diese Leute ausbilden und werden sie hoffentlich dauerhaft auch beschäftigen. Deshalb haben wir uns in Vietnam verschiedene Standorte angeschaut, haben diese Standorte verglichen und schließlich haben wir Hậu Giang als unseren zukünftigen Investitionsstandort ausgewählt.
After the success of Phase 1, Hậu Giang Province continues to approve the planning of Digital Technology Zone Phase 2 with an area of 22.5 hectares, adjacent to and connecting with Digital Technology Park Phase 1, creating close connection between projects. Organizing the architectural space and landscape for construction of Phase 2 from 2026 to 2030 includes the following items: construction of display and exhibition areas, construction of logistic area and experimental production, building low-level parking lots and services, building the green park with services, and planning for other technical infrastructures. Hậu Giang benefits from the highest investment incentives for 7 areas facing special socio-economic challenges. Therefore, businesses are entitled to tax incentives. In 2022, Hậu Giang's Provincial Competitiveness Index (PCI) achieved impressive results, increasing 26 ranks compared to 2021, ranking 12th nationwide. In 2023, Hậu Giang's PCI ranked in the top 10 of the country, confirming an effective investment environment for enterprises. The province is committed to always accompanying businesses with the motto, "Enterprises come, Hậu Giang welcomes."
Với quan điểm là sự thành công của
The
doanh nghiệp
viewpoint
là
is
thành
that
quả của
the
tỉnh
success
nhà.
of businesses is an achievement of the province itself.
Phương châm doanh nghiệp đến, Hậu Giang vui.
The motto,
Và
"Enterprises
nhận thức
come,
là một văn
Hậu
hóa,
Giang
một ngôn
welcomes,"
ngữ.
and the realization of this as a culture and language
Đó là một tuyên ngôn
form
và
a
một hành động
declaration
vì cái mục
and
tiêu
an
chung.
action towards
Với
a
cam
common
kết
goal,
2 nhanh 3 tốt.
with a commitment of 2 prompt actions and 3 strengths.
Đó là nhanh giải phóng mặt bằng.
2
và
prompt
nhanh về thủ tục
actions
hành
are
chính.
swift land clearance, expeditious administrative procedures,
3 tốt là cơ hội tốt,
and
chính sách
3
tốt
strengths
và
are
hạ tầng tốt.
good opportunities, favorable policies, and robust infrastructure. As Hậu Giang progresses towards development, it aims to become a converging and influential region, transforming into the industrial production center of the Mekong Delta and a province of relative affluence within the country.